The evolution of MRR to affiliate marketing. Forming sustainable partnerships. Welcome to this important presentation on the evolution of affiliate marketing, where we'll explore the critical shift from master resell rights programs to sustainable affiliate partnerships. If you've been involved in digital marketing for any length of time, you've probably noticed some significant changes happening in how products are being sold and promoted online. What you might not realize is that we're witnessing a fundamental transformation in the industry, one that's being driven by very real financial and practical considerations. In the dynamic world of digital marketing, understanding the shift from hosted master resell rights, or MRR programs, to affiliate models is absolutely crucial for online business owners. This transition isn't arbitrary or based on trends. It's driven by financial sustainability needs and evolving business strategies in the digital marketplace. This shift affects everyone in our industry. Affiliate marketers looking for sustainable income streams, course creators and coaches trying to build profitable businesses, e-learning providers seeking long-term viability, and online event hosts who need recurring revenue to support their ongoing efforts. Throughout this presentation, we'll uncover the challenges that have made traditional MRR models unsustainable for many creators, and more importantly, we'll reveal the significant opportunities that are emerging in the new affiliate landscape. Whether you're a creator who's been struggling with the economics of MRR programs, or a marketer who's wondering why so many opportunities seem to be shifting toward affiliate models, this presentation will give you the insights you need to understand and capitalize on this evolution. I'm Tim Hewitt, a freelance digital marketing specialist, and I'm excited to guide you through this important industry transformation. Understanding hosted MRR programs. Let's start by establishing a clear understanding of what MRR programs are and why they became so popular in the first place. Master resell rights programs grant buyers the right to resell products and keep 100% of the profits from those sales. This creates what initially appears to be an attractive model for immediate income generation. For marketers, it seems like the perfect setup: buy once, sell multiple times, keep all the profits. And that simplicity is exactly what made MRR programs so appealing. Digital marketers looking for straightforward revenue opportunities were drawn to the idea that they could purchase a product once and then sell it indefinitely, while keeping all the revenue for themselves. But as we'll see, this apparent simplicity masks some significant underlying challenges that affect the creators of these products. From the creator's perspective, there are substantial challenges with this model. Creators receive payment only once for their content, despite ongoing downstream sales happening continuously. This creates serious sustainability issues when creators are faced with continuing expenses like hosting, customer support, product updates, and maintaining the technical infrastructure that supports these products. There's also the issue of distribution control. Once a buyer has MRR, creators have very limited influence over how their products are marketed and priced. This can potentially undermine the perceived value of the product and dilute brand standards, as different resellers may use different marketing approaches or pricing strategies. The one-time payment structure creates significant long-term sustainability challenges for creators who must continue supporting these products indefinitely, often with no additional revenue to fund that ongoing support. The financial sustainability challenge. Now let's dig deeper into the core financial problems that make MRR programs unsustainable for most creators in the long term. The fundamental issue is one-time revenue. The creator's revenue is limited to that first sale, while ongoing costs accumulate continuously without any corresponding income streams. Imagine trying to run any business where you only get paid once but have to provide service indefinitely. It simply doesn't work mathematically. Then we have mounting expenses that never stop. Hosting fees for delivering digital products, technical maintenance and updates, customer support for all the end customers, regardless of who sold to them. and the general operational costs of keeping everything running smoothly. These expenses continue month after month, year after year, while the creator received that one-time payment potentially years ago. There's also the problem of lost secondary sales. The inability to capture any percentage of downstream sales represents significant missed revenue. Think about it. A creator might sell MRR to 100 people, and those 100 people might each sell the product to 50 customers. That's 5,000 additional sales that generate zero revenue for the original creator, despite the fact that they're still supporting all those end customers. This leads to long-term unsustainability. Without recurring revenue streams, MRR programs struggle to remain viable as expenses inevitably outpace that initial income. The rise of the affiliate model. This is where the affiliate model emerges as a more sustainable solution that benefits both creators and marketers. The affiliate model is built on partnership-based relationships between creators and marketers. Instead of a one-time transaction, it creates an ongoing collaborative relationship where both parties have aligned interests in the long-term success of the products and customers. One of the key advantages is recurring revenue. Ongoing commissions from each sale provide sustainable income streams for creators. This means that as affiliates continue to sell products, creators continue to receive revenue that can fund ongoing support, updates, and improvements. Creators also maintain much better brand control. Unlike MRR, where they lose control once the product is sold, affiliate programs allow creators to maintain significant influence over how their products are marketed and represented. They can provide guidelines, approved marketing materials, and ensure brand consistency across all promotional efforts. Perhaps most importantly, there are aligned incentives. Both parties benefit from continued product success and customer satisfaction. Affiliates are motivated to promote products effectively and honestly because their ongoing income depends on it. Creators are motivated to maintain high product quality and provide excellent support because it directly impacts their affiliates' ability to sell. This shift ensures creators continue earning from each sale, making it financially viable to cover ongoing expenses. The recurring nature of commissions allows for proper growth planning and continued product investment, while greater control over brand representation enhances consumer trust and loyalty. The affiliate model creates a win-win situation where everyone's interests are properly aligned for long-term success. Benefits for affiliate marketers. Now let's examine how this evolution specifically benefits affiliate marketers and why it represents better opportunities than traditional MRR programs. At the foundation level, affiliates enjoy stable revenue streams. Instead of the feast or famine cycle of one-time MRR sales, affiliates can build predictable, recurring commissions. This creates much more sustainable business models where marketers can plan and scale their efforts effectively. Moving up, we have aligned interests and transparency. When everyone benefits from the same outcomes, it fosters cooperation and innovation in marketing approaches. Creators and affiliates work together rather than in isolation, sharing strategies and supporting each other's success. At the top level, affiliates gain access to enhanced support and resources. They receive professional marketing materials and training from invested creators who have a vested interest in their affiliates' success. This is a dramatic improvement over MRR programs where creators have no ongoing relationship with resellers. The affiliate model provides marketers with a much more structured income opportunity. Rather than constantly pursuing one-time sales of MRR products and then having to find new products to sell, affiliates can build long-term revenue streams through ongoing commissions from products they've already invested time in promoting. Additionally, affiliates benefit from creator-provided resources and support systems that are specifically designed to maximize promotional effectiveness. This includes tested marketing materials, proven sales funnels, comprehensive product training, and ongoing optimization support. This creates a much more professional and sustainable approach to digital marketing than the often chaotic and unsupported world of MRR reselling. Transitioning to affiliate models. For creators who are considering making this transition, there's a structured approach that can ensure success while maintaining existing relationships. The first step is product evaluation. You need to reassess your existing products to determine their suitability for affiliate promotion, focusing on those with broad appeal and high-quality standards. Not every MRR product will work well as an affiliate offer, so this evaluation process is crucial. Next comes establishing your commission structure. You'll need to establish competitive commission rates that balance profitability with attractiveness to potential affiliates. This requires understanding your market, your costs, and what motivates quality affiliates to promote products consistently. Relationship building is perhaps the most important element. You need to engage with marketers who align with your brand values and target audience to develop strong promotional partnerships. This isn't about quantity. It's about finding the right affiliates who will represent your products professionally and effectively. Finally, there's resource development. You must create comprehensive marketing materials, training resources, and support systems for your affiliates. This includes email swipes, banner ads, product training, sales page templates, and ongoing communication systems. For creators making this transition, understanding each step is essential for success. The process involves not just technical changes to payment systems, but a fundamental shift in business relationships and promotional strategies. Transparent communication during the transition helps maintain trust with existing partners. Many successful creators have made this transition by clearly explaining the benefits to their existing MRR customers and offering them first access to the new affiliate program. Challenges and considerations. While the affiliate model offers significant advantages, it's important to understand the challenges and considerations involved in making this transition. Partnership management requires increased time and resources for vetting, onboarding, and managing affiliate relationships to ensure brand alignment and quality representation. Unlike MRR, where you sell once and walk away, affiliate programs require ongoing relationship management. There's also the potential for affiliate competition. You need to carefully manage the possibility of increased competition among affiliates that could drive down individual earnings. This requires thoughtful management of network size and market saturation to ensure all affiliates can be successful. Fraud prevention becomes a significant concern. You'll need robust tracking systems and vigilant monitoring to protect against click fraud and ensure accurate commission reporting. This requires investment in proper affiliate tracking software and ongoing monitoring systems. Perhaps most challenging is finding the optimal commission balance. You need to find commission structures that motivate affiliates while maintaining profitability for creators. Set commissions too low, and you won't attract quality affiliates. Set them too high, and you won't have sustainable margins. Despite these challenges, the benefits of transitioning to an affiliate model generally outweigh the drawbacks for most digital product creators. The key is developing systems that address these potential issues proactively rather than reactively. Establishing clear guidelines and expectations from the beginning helps prevent most problems. Successful affiliate programs have comprehensive terms of service, clear promotional guidelines, and established procedures for handling disputes or issues. Taking action. Your next steps. Now that you understand this evolution and its implications, let's discuss your specific next steps for capitalizing on these opportunities. First, you need to educate yourself about the current affiliate marketing landscape. I recommend starting with our 3-day training program for only $9 in the 72-hour challenge. This foundational knowledge will help you understand the affiliate marketing landscape and current opportunities. The link will be in the description. Second, Evaluate your position in this transition. You need to determine whether you're primarily a creator looking to transition from MRR to affiliate models, or a marketer seeking to leverage these new opportunities. Your starting point will guide your specific action steps and strategy. Third, focus on building strategic partnerships. Connect with aligned creators or affiliates through communities like my Facebook group. Focus on relationships that offer mutual value and shared target audiences for maximum effectiveness. Success in affiliate marketing is built on relationships, not just transactions. Understanding this transition and its implications is crucial for anyone involved in digital marketing who wants to capitalize on new opportunities. By adapting to these changes and leveraging the strengths of the affiliate model, you can position yourself for sustainable success in digital marketing. The shift from MRR to affiliate models isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental evolution toward more sustainable and profitable business models for everyone involved. For advanced training and personalized guidance, I encourage you to explore our flagship program for comprehensive strategies in affiliate marketing, coaching, events, and e-learning. This program covers all 4 core business models that are thriving in today's digital marketplace. The key to success in this evolving landscape is staying informed, building strong relationships, and adapting your strategies to work with these new models rather than against them. The opportunities are significant for those who understand and embrace this evolution. The question is, will you be positioned to capitalize on them? Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to helping you succeed in this new affiliate marketing landscape.